It's called MyFi LTE mobile Wi-Fi prepaid. There you go. There it is. Face size comparison. So. Hello mga kuya, mga ate. Today we're gonna do a super quick unboxing. No preparation, just a regular 1080p recording of this guy, the Globe. What is this? LTE mobile Wi-Fi. I think this is relatively new. They used to have a different product. Bought it from Lazada for $8.99. Technically, it is 1295, and I'll show you that right now. So, according to this, speed up to 42 Mbps, first 5 gigabytes is free. Up to 16 simultaneous connections, 4 hours battery life, 1,500 milliampere battery. I know you could use a phone for pocket Wi-Fi, but you know, since it's I bought it from 1111 Lazada, but it's still $8.99 right now. Anyway, so we got globe seals top and bottom. We'll undo the top one. There we go. Close up our little pocket knife. Switchblade. Okay, here we go. Okay. Pretty simple box. Decent packaging though. There we go. There we go. Here's a prepaid SIM. Nothing else. Safety information, huh? Why do you need safety information? Alright, some Huawei stuff. Pretty nice paperwork there. What is this? A piece of sticker paper. Sticker backing. That's a pretty thick thingamabob over here. Oh, it's the power. No, it's the battery. So let's unbox this guy. Nice packaging, I have to admit, for $8.99. So this is subsidized by Globe, of course. Huawei, do not something. 1,500 milliamp hours. We have a quick start guide right here. Pretty nice packaging for something that is $8.99. Okay, and then we have a very short sort of charging USB cable here. And then battery, and then this guy. And then you sort of pop it out by pressing this. Ta-da! And then, ooh, that's relatively small actually. It's one of the smaller pocket Wi-Fi's I've used. Got an NTC sticker right there. This is nice. This fits into my pocket actually. And that's exactly what I need. Fits into my pocket. And there we go. Oh, it's like an old phone. Look at this. So, SIM card there. It looks like a full-size SIM card. Free 5 gigabyte surfing, valid for 7 days. Now, I'm curious if this will let me use per use or time-based internet, because I like time-based internet. Because when you use time-based internet, of course, you pay 5 pesos per 15 minutes, but the bandwidth is unlimited. There's no fair use. Since you pay every 5 minutes, I'm okay with that, because as long as I don't hit fair use, I'm okay with it. I know it's not the best solution for unlimited internet, fully unlimited internet, but when it's this kind of... By the way, this is not sponsored by anybody, nor Globe or anybody. Where's my SIM? Okay, here we are. So it's also pre-cut. There we go. No. Come on. Get to the chopper. There we go. Alright, so here we go. We face this down. And then we push in. Oh, I do hope this doesn't get stuck. There we go. Good. Alright. And then we put the battery in. Boink. And then we plug this bad boy in. Oh, is that the right way to put the... Mobile Wi-Fi. Alright. There we go. Maybe it's working now. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, guys, so we've connected to the Wi-Fi now. Sorry about the green screen over there. We're connected to the Wi-Fi now. This is connected. We're connected with my phone to the Globe personal Wi-Fi. And battery's blinking, but I'll deal with that later. So we're gonna do a speed test. So looks like the ASTI is the chosen server, but we're going to change that into a globe server afterwards to get a better test. Here we go. So this is LTE. I am in Quezon City, Diliman area, by the way. How do you say? The antennas here, the signal areas here are pretty decent. I like the graph. It's like a, you know what that reminds me of? That reminds me of horsepower and torque. Horsepower goes like this, and then torque goes like this. Okay, so we got 24.3. Sorry about the focus though. 24.3 and 19.4 in the initial speed test with the ASTI. Let's change the server. Hey, not bad. We're getting, let me, 12 points. So we got lower scores, I think. But there you go. We're still getting over 10 Mbps, so that's pretty nice. That'll get you at least 1080p YouTube, no problem. Pretty good streaming there in Quezon City. So that's pretty nice. I like the fact that it's small. It's not super heavy, and it's not made of like metal or anything, so I'll just put it in my pocket. Even just one of the smaller pockets, because I have big jeans. Big jeans, eh? Okay, so there you go. That's the unboxing for the Globe. MyFi, it's called MyFi LTE mobile Wi-Fi prepaid. There you go. There it is. Face size comparison. So that's it for now. Alex from MyTechnoloGlass.com. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.